Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you guys April's kits that will be found in my Etsy shop, of course. So this is the mini kit. I am going with a purple theme for all of the kits because the color scheme in the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly is purple. I have ditched the bill due on the bill due stickers, so therefore you can write in your own bills, which if you're like me, you probably really don't want to do that because you might not like your handwriting. However, a lot of people have been asking to get customizations for that, and I figured instead of charging more to do custom orders because they want, you know, they want mortgage due or different types of specific bills due, I can just not put anything in that space and allow people to customize as they like. So again, it's going to be annoying for the people like me who don't really care to write and see their own writing, but I think that it will be helpful for the people who don't really want to pay more for customizations and for people who want to write in the names of the bills. So I have done that for all three of the kits. The first kit you saw was the mini, and then you saw the classic, which is 2 pages, and this is the 3-page kit, which is what I call a full kit. So I have a mini kit, a classic kit, and a full kit. The classic and the full are both made for the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly, but I have strategically made the dimensions so that they could fit inside of a classic happy planner as well. So made for the Deluxe Monthly, but you can use the stickers in a classic happy planner, and you can use those mini stickers in a mini happy planner or a mini recollections or really any smaller planner. So of course what I like to do is kind of like a trial run. I honestly hate doing this because it's literally a waste of stickers. Like, I have a planner that I use for measurement purposes. I have 3 of them that are all pretty much going to waste because I just use them for measurement purposes. And then I do not like doing this part either, but it has to be done because I don't want to send out stickers that don't really look that well or don't really go together and that kind of thing. So what I do is I customize my stickers or design the stickers, and then once I think that I'm at a good place and everything looks relatively decent, I go ahead and print them and cut them. And then when you guys are seeing, like at this very moment, like at the filming of this video, I am actually trying out the kit together and the colors and stuff for the first time. So I just bring you guys along with me because this is the first and the last time that I'll do it, because I then can make my adjustments based on my first trial run, so I don't do it again, if that makes sense. So anyway, the payday flags have not changed. I have ditched the black borders for all of the stickers, and I think that makes it just a little bit better. I actually like the black border, but it kind of is annoying when printing and cutting stickers, and it makes sense to not have the border. So that's kind of like a pro tip if you're looking into designing stickers or printing them or cutting them and selling them and that kind of thing, to not have the black border, because chances are it's going to cause a problem when you're cutting stickers. Eventually it'll probably cause a problem, so it makes sense to have the border the same color as the sticker. So I did throw in that little strip. So instead of it being a solid purple, I decided to make it kind of fun. So you don't have to use it how I'm using it. You can use it however you want in whatever space that you want. I just threw it down there for like an additional pop of color and to kind of separate that further. But I did notice that the colorful strip and the solid purple strips were different lengths, so that's when I get to go in. I've already done that and kind of perfect that and make sure that that is up to par before I try to sell them. Obviously, I'm not perfect, and I've only been creating stickers for a few months, but I do try my best to put my best foot forward and make sure I'm not selling anything that, you know, I wouldn't use on my own or whatever. I do think that I'm getting better. But anyway, I did want to try out writing in And I really have terrible handwriting, and I don't really care that much about what it looks like and whatnot. But you might be able to write a little better than me, and you might like the new additions. But anyways, you guys, that is pretty much it. I'm showing you guys what's left of the kit, which is a lot because I didn't really use that many pages, obviously. But I hope that you guys love this kit, and I hope that you will purchase.